Welcome. Today I am making lemon caper chicken. It just takes a couple ingredients. It's quick, it's easy, perfect to serve up with pasta or mashed potatoes, or just by itself with a side of veggies. The ingredients I'll be using today are salt, chicken broth, capers, lemon juice, ghee or butter, olive oil, parsley, pepper, and I'm using chicken tenders, but you can use any type of chicken you like. You just will have to cook the chicken a little longer than I am. I will be back in a second with my measured out ingredients, and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I've heated up my pan to medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil in there, and I am going to put my chicken tenders in the pan and let them sear up a few minutes on this side, and then I'm going to flip them over and do a couple minutes on the other side, and I'll finish up with the sauce. This is a real quick one. I'll be back soon. Okay, I've flipped my chicken tenders over after having them on the other side a couple minutes. I'm going to sprinkle on a little bit of salt, another sprinkling of cracked ground pepper, and about a teaspoon or so of the dried parsley. I'm going to let this cook up another few minutes, and then I'm going to continue on with the sauce. Okay, I'm just going to add in about a half a cup of the chicken broth and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, or I'm using ghee. And we're just going to look for that to melt down. I'm going to add the brine of a little bit of the capers in here, just for that salty, briny taste. One other thing I'm going to add in is about a 1/4 to 1/3 cup of lemon juice, and letting that stir that up and let that all mix together. Okay, I'm just going to use a little flour or arrowroot powder, whatever you have, to thicken up the sauce a bit. Probably about a tablespoon or 2. Just want to get out all the lumps and clumps. You could always add this to a little bit of water or lemon juice and make a slurry before adding it directly to the pan. So I'm going to continue to work on my sauce. Just going to sprinkle in my capers to warm them up. Probably about a half a cup of capers. Let's test the sauce. The sauce is thickening up. You want to scrape off any of the brown from the chicken. That really just helps add to the flavor. Okay, I have some rustic mashed up potatoes and a little bit of steamed broccoli, and I'm just going to add a couple pieces to my plate and top off with my lemon caper sauce. And there you have it. lemon caper chicken. Quick and easy, so easy, probably took about 15 minutes. Enjoy.